How to use Apple Carplay and Android Auto. To access Apple Carplay or Android Auto, tap the icon located in the bottom ribbon or find the app icon in the Apps menu. Apple Carplay and Android Auto allow you to use familiar smartphone infotainment features, including navigation, making or receiving phone calls, sending and receiving messages, and listening to music. To interact with Apple Carplay or Android Auto, activate the system using your voice, saying, "Hey Siri" for Apple Carplay or "Hey Google" for Android Auto while in the Android Auto app. You can also hold the talk button on the steering wheel for 2 seconds to activate Apple Carplay or Android Auto. Find the closest Tim Hortons.
One option I see is Tim Hortons on O'Connor Drive in Toronto, less than a half kilometer to your north.
With Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connected, you can still control various infotainment, navigation, and climate control features with Google built in. Hey Google, turn the temperature to 25 degrees.
Got it. Changing the temperature for the front to 25 degrees.
The CX-5 offers an exceptional in-vehicle experience with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, providing you with a choice of how you access all of your favorite in-vehicle apps.